programming our football OzoBot to make a touchdown. So you're going to be in partners. One partner is playing the video you're listening to now on their iPad. The other partner has Ozo Blockly opened. You're each going to get to take a turn. You only need one OzoBot for this. So this is what we're going to do. The first thing we're going to do is this. On the left-hand side, you'll see Ozo Blockly. It's automatically on Evo because that's their latest one. And we're going to move the level to 4. So make sure you're on level 4 because that gives you a little bit more command of what you're doing. This is a higher level program. That's why you're listening to me. So the first thing we're going to do is click on the word movement on our menu at the on the left-hand side. So the arrow with movement. And a series of things comes up. So we want to say the very first one. All right, so we want to make him move, obviously, at a distance, but we don't want the same play over and over. Nobody would watch our football game, right? If every time everybody did the exact same thing. That would not be fun. So now on the left-hand side, the menu, we're going to scroll down to math. You'll see a minus, times, plus, and division sign. Click that. And we want to do a random integer. That means it's going to pull any number from 5 is in the first blank and 100 is in the second blank. We want them to go in intervals of 5. And then the 100 is because there's 100 yards in a football field. And we're going to place this up into that little puzzle piece, and it makes room for it just so lovely. At the very end, the speed is set to 30. We want to change that to 20. Okay, so now if I do this program right here, my OzoBot's going to move 1 time. But we know in football there's 4 downs. So what we're going to do is we're going to have this repeat 4 times. So on the left-hand menu, we're going to go to loops. And we want to choose the first one. And we don't want it to repeat 10 times. We want to repeat 4 times. Okay, and so there it is. Now what I need to do is I need to get this program saved. So at the very top right-hand corner, you'll see unnamed program. We're going to name our program. And we're going to call it Code to Touchdown. It's written on your football field at the very top left-hand corner. Now my program has a name. Now I need to get my program to my OzoBot Evo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the very bottom of my screen, and you'll see flashing with the lightning bolt. Click that, and your OzoBot Evo comes on. So first thing I need to do is I need to turn my OzoBot Evo on. There's this little circular part right above one of his wheels. If you have the charging port facing you, it's going to be on the left-hand side. You'll press it 1 time to turn him on. And then you're going to load him not on this left-hand circle, but on this first little OzoBot. It's all whited out. I'm going to put his wheels where the wheels are, and then I'm going to click Load Evo, and I'm not going to touch my OzoBot. What's happening is your iPad is sending this program to your OzoBot. It's going to flash all different colors. It's going to show you it's loading, and when it's done, it should be finished. Now I'm going to pick up my OzoBot. I'm going to place him on one end zone where it says touchdown, and I'm going to double tap like I'm tapping a mouse. I'm going to click 2 times kind of quickly on that circular little earpiece that he has. So I'm going to go 1, 2, and now he's going to go. And you'll notice he'll move 4 times. And my guy moved way past the touchdown. He was on a roll, so he must have had a big number. So I get 6 points. Now my partner is going to put it on their end zone, and they're going to double tap that earpiece and see how far they go. If you do not score a touchdown, it's okay. Just give it to your partner, let them go. And this is hilarious. Both of them scored a touchdown. In the past, I've been playing and nobody scores a touchdown, which is hilarious. So you can do that back and forth several times just to get the programming down. And it's pretty fun. So if you score a touchdown, 6 points. If you don't, like that guy just didn't. So he's at the 40-yard line. It just goes to the next person's turn. I hope you enjoy doing this.